Welcome to HQ YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can bypass all in-app purchase using the luckypatcher app. But before you proceed, if you are watching us for the first time, please kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, turn on your notification bell so you can get all our latest updates. Now, to bypass in-app purchase, I'm using the luckypatcher. The first thing you need to do is download and install the luckypatcher on your phone. If you are using an Android, this is the luckypatcher logo here. If you are using an Android device, kindly go to google.com and search for luckypatcherapp.apk. If you are using an iPhone, you can go to your Apple Store and search for the luckypatcher app there. And if you want to install the luckypatcher on your PC, you can search for luckypatcher for PC on your browser. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using this particular app for you guys, these VIP tips, and here is the luckypatcher app which I already have installed on my phone. Now let's proceed. Now, to bypass the in-app purchase in this particular VIP tips app, open the luckypatcher app, locate the app which I want to bypass the in-app purchase. The app is VIP tips. Here is the app, and as you can see, the app is labeled to have Google ADS and in-app purchases. Now, to bypass the in-app purchase in this particular VIP tips app, what I need to do is click on the app. In the list of menu here, select menu of purchase. After that, create APK mode file. Then in the list of pop-up menu here again, you will need to select APK rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation. So after selecting that, what you're going to be selecting here is support patch for in-app emulation. As you can see the description here under the third option in the list here, you are going to see redirect billings to luckypatcher using a proxy server for emulation of in-app purchases. Here is what we are looking for. Then you can now proceed to rebuild the app. As you can see, the bypass of the in-app purchase is already done. And then what you need to select here is go to file, and here you are going to select uninstall and install. You need to uninstall the previous version of the app installed on your phone and then install the bypassed version of the app. The installation process has been completed. You can now proceed to open the app and check the in-app purchase for the particular app you are using, and you are going to be surprised that the in-app purchase will have been successfully bypassed. But before opening the app, ensure you still have your luckypatcher app running. Do not close the luckypatcher app when trying to open any of the app which you've already bypassed the in-app purchase. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.